Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Bank of Jamaica is projecting that less money will be in circulation this month. In fact, the $23 billion expected to be in circulation over the period would be below the 5-year average. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says less money is likely to be in circulation at the end of December compared to the same period last year. In its currency issue bulletin, the BOJ says it expects about $23 billion to be added to the market for the month, bringing the expected sum of money in circulation to $227.5 billion. If realized, this would be below the 5-year average growth rate of 16.4%. This would bring the average nominal growth to 19% compared to 28% for the same period in 2020. Financial analyst Dennis Chung says this does not come as a surprise, as spending for this Christmas period was expected to be less.
Remember, the entertainment sector is not fully open. So it means that the spending on entertainment activities are going to be lower. You would find also that people are sort of just recovering, so you might not see as much spending as before. And the truth is that a lot of people now are actually buying their things overseas and carrying it in through the courier companies. So you might not see the amount of demand like you've had in previous years.
Along with this announcement yesterday, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the cost of goods in November was largely unchanged due to a decline in the cost of food and beverages. This is on the heels of the BOJ's decision to increase the policy interest rate to 2%. Now, could it be a sign that the strategy is working?
I'm not discounting the fact that the interest rates might have had something to do with it, but from let's say food production and transportation go up, it could be that there is an increase in the supply of foods that cause it more than anything else.
Link, a member of the NCB group, has officially launched its digital wallet. Now, the platform is being designed to send and receive money using a smartphone. Link has been approved for testing by the Bank of Jamaica BOJ, which launched its fintech sandbox in March 2020 and is positioned to be amongst the first digital wallets to transmit the central bank digital currency CBDC once the BOJ officially opens it to the market. Now, Link is a nod to the other digital fintech softwares such as Cash App, Zelle, and Zenmo. The company says an account can be created in less than 5 minutes with no paperwork or visit to a branch. Now, no bank account is required to use the application. Let's head to the currency market. Authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $154.85. $120.86 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $203.33 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $175.89. The JSE index lost 180 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 9 points. Among today's winners were QWI Investments, Jetcon Corporation, Epley, Kingston Properties, and Stanley Motor, while on the losing side were KLE Group, Kingston Wharves Limited, Blue Power Group, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, and 1834 Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.